In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Hotmail account to your Gmail setup in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and will help you manage all your emails in one convenient place. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail inbox. You can do this by entering mail.google.com into your browser's address bar or by clicking on your Gmail bookmark if you have one saved. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the upper right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select See All Settings. This option will take you to a comprehensive settings page where we can customize your email preferences. On the settings page, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Accounts and Import. This section allows you to manage your mail account and importing settings. It's a useful tool for those who want to consolidate their email addresses into a single interface or import emails from other accounts. Now on the Accounts and Import page, scroll down until you find the option that says Add a Mail Account. Clicking this opens a pop-up window where you can start the process of linking your Hotmail account to Gmail. Enter the email address of the account you want to add and click Next. You will then have the option to import emails from your other account via POP3 or to link accounts with Gmailify, which forwards your emails to Gmail. Choose the Import Emails from my other account POP3 option and click Next. You will be asked for the username, password, POP server, and port. The username is generally your full email address, and the POP server for Hotmail is typically hotmail.outlook.com. Once you've filled in all the required information and ensured it's correct, click Add Account. This will finalize the linking of your Hotmail account to Gmail. If the details are correct, Gmail will start fetching your Hotmail emails, allowing you to manage multiple accounts seamlessly from a single inbox. And there you have it. Your Hotmail account is now linked to Gmail, allowing you to manage all your emails more efficiently. Happy emailing.